Want to customize your Samsung Galaxy home screen like a pro? Personalizing your phone with widgets, wallpapers, and themes makes it easy to use and more fun to look at. Here's a simple guide to help you add all these features. Let's get started. First, press and hold on the home screen empty space. Tap on the themes below. Here, you'll find so many themes. Select the theme that you like the most. Then tap download from the below. Finally, tap on apply. Here, your theme has been changed. Wallpapers. Again, press and hold on the home screen empty space. Now tap on wallpaper and style. To do that, tap on change wallpaper and choose any wallpaper from here. Now go back to previous page. Then tap on color palette. Turn on color palette and then tap apply. And that's it. Widget. Once again, press and hold on the home screen empty space. After that, then tap on widgets from the below. Here you'll find so many options like clock, camera, and smart suggestions. Now scroll down and find what you want to add on your home screen. Like calendar. Now choose what style you want to add. Like, I'm going to select the second one. Tap on it and then tap add. Here it is. From here, you can move it to anywhere on the home screen like this. Or you can change its size by sliding your finger like this. And that's it. Alright everyone, that's how you can easily customize your Samsung Galaxy home screen like a pro. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.